8.3, to some will be very simple, to others, hopefully it helps. It's about being yourself. We're different people from yesterday till tomorrow, and I recommend just being who you are today. But there's a little bit more thought to it when it comes to making videos and doing it regularly, so I'm gonna jump into it. First one is embracing your own style. Whether that's how you speak, what you show and display in your videos, your humor, your ideals, your beliefs. Embracing your style is great because as long as you're being authentic to who you are, it's gonna feel natural. But as you continue and really noticing what your style is, you can start trying to refine your style and improve it. So me, I really love talking head videos. So I've gotten way, way better over the years, trying to just really embrace my style and understand it and seeing what I can do better with my style. But within becoming more consistent in your style, I also want you to think about not becoming just entrapped within your style. If for some reason you take off and get viral or your business makes a lot of money doing point and shoot videos, and you enjoy doing them, awesome. But don't be afraid to try other things out, especially, purely said, if you feel like it. Style evolves, everything grows, everything changes in life. So if you one day feel like doing something different, changing up your style, how you talk, what you talk about, what you show on screen, go for it. Things change and evolve. You were different a year ago, you're way different 5 years ago, and that can happen throughout your video content journey. So don't be scared to try out different styles and evolve with your talent, your business, your brand, or just whatever feels right. Next, it's your personal values and beliefs. Regarding this, some people are very touchy about it. Personally, I say go for it. Being authentic and sharing your personal values and beliefs absolutely will veer some people off. But the people you want to pay attention to your content and connect are gonna value it way, way more. Creating this connection that's real, raw, authentic to who you are, what you believe in, is gonna be the best form of, fan base or connection or possible consumer, because they're connecting to who you truly are. Of course, I highly recommend to be very respectful when you go about this. Don't be rude about it. Being respectful when projecting your personal beliefs, values, religion, likes, dislikes, it's all fair game. We have freedom of speech here. But try and be respectful so that even if someone is not agreeing with your values or your beliefs, they'll still at least respect you about how you went about it. And here's one that is very relevant to me, the balance of personal and professional. Go to my Instagram, you'll see me being very silly or also having fun or being very professional. Doing so is a fine balance that you have to find and figure out what's right, what's real, and what's easiest for you. I recommend creating boundaries of what you're willing to share, what you want to share, what your audience enjoys, and you have to kind of choose that internally. But I personally say don't be too scared of it. The realer, the better. That's just what seems to have worked out for me. But you personally have to choose that boundary. There's a ton of huge bonuses to being super professional, but to the same extent, there's a lot of benefits of being personable. So when you're personal and personable, it's not that you're not professional, because you can leverage that in a bunch of different ways. You could tell personal stories of how they've impacted your professional life. And just with that general mindset, you can bridge the two together and make it super, super effective when it comes to communicating with your audience, talking about your product, your business, etc. So personally, I say don't shy away from it, but do think about it and make sure you have the proper boundaries in place of what you want to share, what you don't want to share, and it all depends upon your goals. So take a moment, think about that, and keep going forward.